All right, Birchie's hot dog reviews. We're back at it because today there's a special hot dog at Worth Takeaway. They do it every year. They're here in downtown Mesa on Main Street. They always run special items every week, from Hot Pockets and lasagnas and all these things. Well, this week it's hot dogs. So of course, your Birchie's hot dog reviewer is gonna come out and review, see how they're doing on their hot dogs. Here we are. You guys know the drill. It's a 5-tool. It's out of 5 tools. And but before we get started, you guys can see I am wearing the new Birchie's baseball Flex Fit 3D pop out. It's on our website, and the new Raglan 3/4 sleeve baseball tee. Check it out. Go to our website, birchiesbrand.com, and get it. Let's get started. All right, it's out of 5. Okay, what do we do it on? We check it on first, the atmosphere of the place. This is a great place. They have a great atmosphere, super hipster, and super cool, great vibes. And so I got to give it to them. That's a point right there. Second, we're gonna do on how it looks. It kind of, I'll be real honest, it looks, the bread makes it look like a great dog. The bread makes it look like a great dog. Overall, it's kind of just on there with the mustard. Bread really makes it look good. I'm kind of stoked to try this bread and to take a bite. Now the next one is the taste of the wiener itself. It's a Shriners all beef New York style wiener. A lot of people in the valley do use Shriners. It is a really good dog. So that is a point. Quality of toppings. I already know these toppings are amazing because the chefs here are great. So I know that they're pickling their own relish, and their kraut is gonna be tops. I'm excited to try this because the last part of it is the overall taste of everything. That's a good dog. I'm gonna give it one more bite. I'm not a huge mustard guy, but to like hot dogs, you kind of have to learn to like mustard. Very simple. I'm gonna give it a 4.5 because it's very easy to handle. It tastes very good. All the flavors come together. It's a great place, great atmosphere. Downtown Mesa. Come check it out. 4.5. See you on the other side of the bun.